This is the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone pathway. These little circles here represent the juxtaglomerular cells in the nephrons of the kidneys. They produce renin, and they also monitor whether renin needs to be released or not. Renin would be released in response to a drop in blood pressure, which is caused by a drop in fluid volume of the blood. That can be caused by dehydration or sodium deficiency. So once the renin enters the bloodstream, it begins a whole cascade of protein activation. The renin converts a protein that's already in the blood, called angiotensinogen, which is created by the liver, into an active protein called angiotensin-1. Angiotensin-1 is then converted by an angiotensin-converting enzyme, or ACE, in the lungs, into angiotensin-2. Angiotensin-2 does a lot of things. First, it vasoconstricts the arterioles, which is shown here. Second, it also causes the adrenal cortex to secrete aldosterone, which is over here. So aldosterone increases the reabsorption of sodium and also water by osmosis. This would increase the blood volume, which would then increase the blood pressure. So an increase in osmotic pressure, also along with angiotensin-2, would cause the secretion of ADH, which is antidiuretic hormone. It's made in the hypothalamus, but then stored in the posterior pituitary. So that causes aquaporins in the membrane of the collecting ducts, which is over here. Therefore, it increases water reabsorption into the blood from the collecting ducts. Taking this water from the urine would increase the urine concentration. This reabsorption of water in the blood increases the blood volume, therefore also increasing the blood pressure. Intake of alcohol would inhibit the release of ADH from the pituitary gland, meaning that no aquaporins are produced and less water is reabsorbed. Instead, it would then be excreted out as urine.